Well, g'day Year 7s. Alright, so today we are looking at finding the mode. Now, what is the mode? Well, in the study of statistics, if you have a set of values, which is a fancy way of saying a list of numbers, okay, the mode of a set of values, or the mode of that list of numbers, is simply the number or the value with the highest frequency. So if you have a list of numbers, the number that occurs in that list the most often is called the mode. All right. So let's dive into a couple of examples. This is very straightforward. It won't take but a few minutes. Example number 1. Find the mode of the following values. All right, so let's look at the values. And it's quite easy to make mistakes and to miss values. So you need to look over the values very carefully in order to identify which value has the highest frequency, which value appears most often. So let's have a look. Well, I can see automatically we have two 32s, all right? But if I look a little more closely, I actually have, here we go, 1, 2, 3 50s. Now, as for the other values, 61 only happens once, 52 happens once, 35 once, 55 once. We're going to forget the 32s because they only 32 only had a frequency of 2 because it occurred twice. 50 is the winner. 50 has the highest frequency, which means 50 appears most often. So we can now answer the question. The mode equals 50. And you'll all love the fact that there's really no setting out to be done here. It's just a matter of looking carefully at your list of values. All right, let's do another example. Okay, 10 people write down the number of TVs in their homes. Here is the list. So we have 3 TVs, 1 TV, 1 TV, 4, 1, 3, 2, 2, 6, 1. So we've got 10 people and they each write down how many TVs they have in their house. Find the mode number of TVs. Okay, well, that simply means what number of TVs is the most frequent. So let's have a look. All right. Well, I see 2 3s, okay. But I also see 2 2s. There's only 1 6 and 1 4. But look at this. 1, 1, 1, 1. We have 4 1s. So the mode number of TVs is obviously 1 TV. More people have 1 TV than any other number of TVs. So here we go. To answer the question, the mode equals 1 TV. And it's important that you put the word or the abbreviation TV after number 1, because the number of TVs has units, okay? The units are TVs. Just like if you were asked how many meters long your house is, you wouldn't say 6, you would say 6 meters, okay? So if you ask for the mode number of TVs, you don't say 1, you say 1 TV, okay? So units are very important. Let's do one more example. All right, state the mode of the following values. So let's have a look. I can see 2 2s. I can see 2 1s. And then we have 1 5, 1 6, and 1 7. So this is a slightly different situation that we haven't encountered yet. It seems that we have 2 modes, and that is perfectly acceptable. Okay, so I'm simply going to write mode equals 2 and 1. We have 2 modes, and that's perfectly fine. Sometimes you'll have 3 modes. There is one situation I want to quickly draw your attention to, all right? This is an official part of our notes, so I might just flick over here for a second. Let's just say you had a set of data like this. 1, 5, 6, 2, and 3. What does the mode equal? Well, if we look at that set of values, every single value in that set of values appears once. So we have 2 options. We can say that there is no mode, or we can say that every number is the mode. Now, there's no incorrect answer here. Both of those answers are fine, all right? It really just depends on what textbook you're working with. The textbook that we work with would say that there is no mode in this situation. Other textbooks would say every number is in the mode. So my suggestion is that we all stick to the same rule and decide to say that there is no mode in this situation. But if you see on worksheets, on solutions to worksheets and things, that every mode is the solution, every number is the mode, you will know exactly why they have said that, all right? Okay, so that was nice and straightforward. That was calculating the mode. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.